Hey guys, welcome back to It's Just Another Shilling. Today I am going to show you the beginning of my freezer meal prep. So come along for the ride. First thing I do is I pull out my cookbooks. I have my computer there and I have a couple of notepads. There are two pieces of paper there. The first piece of paper on that notepad is the recipes that I want to make. The second piece of paper is my grocery list. I'm writing everything on this list that I know I'm going to need to add to my list, to my order, to get exactly what I need to do my freezer plan. My goal today is to get about 12 different meals into the freezer so that we can have things to eat for about the next month. Usually one meal lasts every 2 days. So yeah, join along. What I have here is 3 different cookbooks. The first one is the Trim Healthy Mama Plan book that has a couple of recipes that I really enjoy. The second one is the Trim Healthy Table. It's sort of a companion book to Trim Healthy Mama. And the third one is actually called Joy Filled Eats. The woman that wrote this book is the Trim Healthy Mama. She has a lot of really fantastic recipes. I think the only complaints I would have is just about every recipe she has that looks interesting has dill in it. Now, I love dill, but I went through and cooked for a minute, and I think every single recipe I made had dill. So I tried to avoid that a little bit today. What you see me doing is on that bottom piece of paper, I'm writing down the name of the recipe, and then I'm also writing down the page that it came on. Another thing that I went ahead and did is I went onto my computer and pulled a couple recipes that I knew were on the computer off, and then I went ahead and printed those so that I could just have them at hand and I didn't have to hunt for them again. I was also cooking with a friend and I wanted to be able to hand her the recipes when we were all done. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting my list together here and then move on to the next step. So I went ahead and sent my friend a message with everything that I wanted her to bring for our cooking day tomorrow and just placed an order for everything else. She actually purchased all of the meat, which there was a lot. We had 16 pounds of ground beef alone. And then I placed my order online for everything else that we could possibly need, including a couple of grocery staples. For this I used Walmart. I really like their grocery pickup. It's really, really easy. I can send my husband to go get the food. And every single time I shop I have substitutions, but it's really not that bad. So I'm going to get my order placed here and then sent, and then all I have to do is wait until tomorrow I can pick it up. I really like doing that. It saves money, it keeps my budget well, and it's just overall a good thing. So here you have it. These are actually my dry goods that I ordered. I'm going to make some pasta dishes, some chili, a couple of different chicken dishes with that mayonnaise, Italian chicken with that Italian dressing, and then a couple sweet things. And then I just really had to try this MTC oil. I have a bunch of different spices to refill my spice rack. Just generally overall, a whole bunch of really good yummy stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this shopping along with me. There's actually a lot more that you don't see. It's all the meats and stuff like that, but you'll see it tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next week. I hope you have a wonderful week. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and thank you again. Goodbye.